This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to import curl in Jmeter step by step. Open your terminal, copy the full curl command, and keep it ready for conversion. Next, launch Jmeter and load, or create a test plan where you want to add the request. Make sure the HTTP request sampler is available and that you can edit headers and body content freely to mirror the curl options precisely. Start by pasting the curl string into a clear text editor so you can separate options easily. Identify method, endpoint, headers, and body content, then map each piece to Jmeter fields. Use an HTTP header manager for headers and an HTTP request sampler for method and body. For complex forms or multi-part data, add a body data section or a multi-part handler. Verify encoding and escape characters, so the requests, after mapping the curl components, execute the request inside Jmeter and watch the View Results tree listener for real feedback. Compare status code, headers, and body content to the response you saw with curl to ensure parity. Tweak timeouts, redirects, and follow redirects options to match curl behavior. If using SSL or client certificates, configure a key store or SSL manager so secure connections behave the same under load.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.